Autodesk Docs empowers multidisciplinary design teams with a common data environment solution that connects building design processes and project consultants in a single place. Collaborate with your team anytime, anywhere. Lead designers exploring early-stage design options collaborate remotely by saving, viewing, and sharing FormIt files directly in Autodesk Docs. The designer starts a collaboration session and invites other team members to collaborate in real time. Models are accessed and can be edited from a Windows PC, iPad, or web browser, and shared with teams using shared links. Expedite the speed of your information exchanges. A landscape design consultant working in AutoCAD uses Desktop Connector to access cloud-hosted project data on their local desktop. Approved updates to the landscape design are shared and synced automatically to the cloud, ensuring everyone has access to the current site plan. Keep your team on the same page. A project architect uses Revit to document the project. The shared concept and landscape design files hosted in Autodesk Docs are linked directly to the work-in-progress design development model. Changes uploaded by the consultants are immediately synced, keeping everyone on the same page. Mitigate risks with streamlined communications. Project managers and owners review and approve milestone deliverables using the Docs built-in viewer. By logging, assigning, and tracking coordination issues in a central location, they can monitor progress and send real-time notifications to keep the project on track. They can also archive and distribute packages and milestones to external stakeholders. Autodesk Docs helps design firms streamline the design process and deliver better buildings. Experience the power of a connected project today.